Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to explain you about how to use simple past tense and how to improve speaking skill using a short story or English in situation. Well, we use simple past tense to express an action or an activity which happened in the past. Well, the pattern of simple past tense in statement or positive sentence is subject plus verb 2. Then to make it negative, we use did not or didn't, then followed by verb 1. Then to make question form, we use did, then followed by subject plus verb 1. We can also use question words like what, when, where, why or how, then followed by did plus subject plus verb 1. Then to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully. You must listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. Then you should try to memorize the story and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some questions about it and about yourself too. Now please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence to improve your speaking skill. Well, Jackie left her apartment at 7. She ran in the park. Lucky Jones and Frank Mitchum were there. They watched her, but she did not see them. Lucky had a gun. He and Frank had a van too. When Jackie came back, they stopped her. Don't scream, don't talk, don't run. Get into the van, they told her. Jackie got into the van. They kidnapped her yesterday. That's why she is not in her apartment now. Please listen again and repeat after me, sentence by sentence, to improve your speaking skill. Jackie left her apartment at 7 yesterday. Okay? Jackie left her apartment at 7 yesterday. Well, she ran in the park. She ran in the park. Lucky Jones and Frank Mitchum were there. They watched her, but she did not see them. Lucky had a gun. He and Frank had a van too. When Jackie came back, they stopped her. Don't scream, don't run, don't talk. Get into the van, they told her. Jackie got into the van. They kidnapped her yesterday. That's why she is not in her apartment now. Well, now please answer my question. What time did Jackie leave her apartment? Question number 2. Did she run in the park? The next question. Were Lucky Jones and Frank Mitchum there too? Well, did they watch her? Did she see them? Did Lucky have a gun? Did they have a van too? What did they tell Jackie? Did Jackie get into the van? Did they kidnap her? Is she in her apartment now? Well, what about you? What time did you leave home? Or what time did you leave your apartment? Did you run in the park? Did you have breakfast yesterday? What did you do after breakfast? Did you go to school? Did you go home? Well, what time did you come home? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.